Aiden has a karaoke machine.
No. It's national anthem.
And now the end is near, so I face the final curtain. My friend, I'll say it clear, I'll state my case, of which I'm certain. I've lived a life that's full. I've traveled each and every highway, but more, much more than this, I did it my way. Okay. Regrets, I've had a few, but then again, too few to mention. I did
You know, hand the bucket.
what I had to do. I saw it through.
No, actually, when I miss you on, I do this song.
Without exemption. I planned each charted course, each careful step along the byway. And more, much more than this, I did it my way. Yes, there were times, I'm sure you do, when I bit off what I could chew. But through it all, when there was doubt, faced it all, and I stood tall, and did it my way.
I can't hit that.
Oh, that's okay. I've loved, I got next one. I've laughed and cried, I've had my fill, my share of losing, and now, as tears subside, I find it all
So amusing.
to think I did all that.
I did not.
And may I say, not in a shy way.
No way I did. Jose. No way, Jose.
Oh no. Oh no, oh no. Oh no, not me. I did it my way. For what is a man? What has he got? If not himself, then he has not to say the things he truly feels, and not the words of one who kneels. The record shows I took the blows and did it my times like these, I'm thankful for people I love.
Yes.
It was my
It just hits. Hits different.
Thank you, everybody. We'll be taking a short interlude. That was good. That was good.